Modoc High Mountain Zippers, overcast, August 2nd. Check it out. They're feeling it this morning. Ooh. Oh, can't wait for the fall fly, man. Be flying with my young birds and some of my old birds. It's gonna be on. Nice and cool, 40 degrees, overcast. They came out that box hot. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah. Not bad for some first round plus 2 old birds. Those are all 2016 High Mountain Zippers bred. Come on, guys, give me a few more minutes. Get out from behind them trees. Gotta love it. Get your spin on, brothers. Ow! All they need to do is just start gelling together and then start breaking together soon. And they're all just really young. I just started breeding in May because we had snow here May 20th when I flew the day that I flew the World Cup prelim flight. It's nice cold mornings, and this is the first overcast day I've had since these guys were pretty much born. So I think they're liking it a lot. Oh, look at that. And I'm trying a new secret feed mix. I can't let it out until after the fall fly. Now I might let y'all into it, but they've been on it for a couple days now, and I'm really liking what I'm seeing. So if this keeps going the way it's going, I might have the mix that I want, that I finally found, that I really like. Only time will tell, though. These guys are still very young. I hope they stay stable, though. If they can stay stable and keep doing how they're doing now, and just start, getting the feng shui of the kit where they start breaking together, ooh, that's that indigo white flight. The indigo check white flight I posted yesterday. Just a couple more seconds here. Nice and tight too. Look at nice style. I'll have to pull some band numbers out and start checking out some pairs and see which they came out of. I know a couple of them which they came out of, but there's a few that I gotta check because there's some reds in there that I bred lots of reds out of different pairs. So there's 2 reds, white flights in there that are looking really sweet. And I got an almond up there. An almond and a red grizzle up there doing really good. Alright, man, I'm fixing to cut this off. 420. 420. 420 in the Modoc High Mountains. Peace!